Welcome back to Chasing Financial Freedom. Today we're going to talk about a special stock, Nanodimension, and what is going on with it. So, yesterday, 15th of February, it has come a news that Nanodimension prices 500 million registered direct offering. What does this mean? And what does it mean for us as investors in this company? It is important to acknowledge that it is not a public offering. It is not the same as other companies do, because they have direct offering of this stock to their biggest account holders. What does it mean? It means that these stockholders, has trust in this company that it will spend this money in a good way. So, at a price of $12.80 per %, to register direct offering, the gross proceeds of the offering will be approximately 500 million before deducting placement agents fees and other estimate offering expenses. It is good because they have cut out the middleman. Including possible business combination transactions, the closing of the registered direct offering is expected to take place on or about February 18th, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. So, to all the people that are concerned, to all the people that are scared about this company, there are a lot of companies that are directly engaged and involved with this company. Actually, today I have bought the dip. We have bought the dip in the pre-market. So here we have the news. We have some good recommendations. We have a buy and a strong buy. So everything looks good as for now. Looking forward, if we look at the technical part of the chart, we can see that there is, in the pre-market, there is a little bit of trading going on. We have seen the stock plummeting down to $13.20, and we have seen it risen to $14.18. So we are moving closer to the closing of Friday, which we closed at around 1560. So what should you do? Should you be afraid? Should you be scared? Should you invest in it? So if you look here, we are right now in an upside trend. We do believe that the stock price, just because it has the backing of financial institutions, it has the backing of big players, we do believe that the stock is going to recover. We do believe that Nanodimension is a $20, $25, $30 billion company. We do believe that we have a big shortage of semiconductors, and Nanodimension is actually producing these semiconductors. So we believe that the future for this company looks bright. We do believe that we're going to see an increment in the price. If we look back down here, if we look at the technical side, we can touch this line. We don't believe we're going to touch this line, which is the average 50-week average, and this is the Bollinger Band. We do believe that we may get around to here, to $13, maybe $14.44, but we are still, if you look at the trend line, we are still very much bullish. And if you look here, we have a little bit of path of way to go, but we do believe that if everything goes according to plan, we could see a price of $20 at the end of March. There are some rumors that it is going to have some big news. They are going to announce something very important, and they are searching already for competitors to buy, so in the future they're going to be big players in this space. You can see right now how the stock price is moving in the pre-market. So we have fallen, we have still the fluctuation which is normal for this stock at around $1, $1.50 a day. Let me see in the pre-market. So the pre-market looks good. If you look here, you could have made even money even here when falling. So it was $13.46 and now we are at $14.36 we have been. So it is a great stock, we do believe in it, and unless there is a market crash, which we don't believe that it will come for half a year or a year and a half or 2 years, I don't believe that the government is going to let us down, and we do believe that the stock market is still going to rise. So even though we are not financial advisors, if you ask us what we're going to do, we're going to buy the stock even more. If it falls below 14, we're going to add more. If it falls, which we don't believe, under $14, we're going to buy even more, because it is going to recover, in our opinion. The S&P futures is high. We do believe that once we break the 4,000 mark, we are going to see a fast surge towards 4,100, and then maybe a little pullback, and then from then on we are open to new highs. So hope that you find this video interesting, hope that you are not scared anymore with this company, and wish you a great trading and investing day. Take care and stay safe.